Hi guys, and welcome back to the show. Today we have another special video for you. It's a little bit different this time as well, as we are doing an unboxing of this one. Look, I am a Nomad's Projects. It's a planer and thicknesser 2-in-1 by Scheppach. I hope I didn't butcher their name too badly. It's from Germany. It can handle 120mm wide boards, or a little bit above 4.5 inches, and 204mm wide boards. So that's just above 8 inches. And basically what I hope to get out of this is that I can purchase 2x8s instead of 2x4s. Let's get down to business. This styrofoam is a nightmare to get rid of, by the way. Push stick. But I like my John Heist style more. Dust collection cover. This, I imagine, is the fence. It looks a bit flimsy. Yep, fun. So, what are my first impressions of this fella here? Well, it seems to do the job. I only tested the planing part so far, and I know that I'm going to need either a longer infeed table or to build some sawhorses so that I can handle longer boards. Another thing, I'll try to include a photo of it, but that's the fence. It's not completely 90 degrees. I need to find some way to adjust that, and it's a little bit flimsy. Also, this safety mechanism here isn't. I don't think it's really good. I don't think it's really bad either, but I like the swinging ones more. I also need a lot longer infeed table for the thickness planing part. There is basically nothing here. Also, I need to get a 2.5-inch converter for my vacuum cleaner so that I can do dust collection from here, as it's a 2.5-inch system. But for my use, I think it's going to be great. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. I know it's a short one this time, and we're only doing an unboxing and these first impressions, but we'll be back with more exciting projects in the days and weeks to come.